Hi, it's Terry Coatney, Coldwell Banker Realty with offices in Marietta, Ohio and in Vienna, West Virginia. If you're thinking of buying or selling a home and finally get a sales contract, that sales contract is going to be some 5 pages long with 300 lines. It's important that you understand all the different elements, and I will just touch on them, and if you want more information about those or how they relate to the buyer or the seller, I'll be glad to provide. So we're on to page 3 of the contract, and here's where all the different things happen, where the buyer might request a home inspection, a structural inspection, a radon inspection, if it's got a pool, a hot tub inspection of those, septic tank inspection if applicable, and he'll ask for a survey if required by the lender, and also an insect inspection. Typically on the insect inspection, they will ask the seller to pay for that insect inspection, and if the treatment is needed, also to provide that. Now, the one thing about all of these is there's typically a contingency that's required. So then the buyer, after the contract is signed, the buyer has so many days to get these done, and then after he gets them done, he may require the seller to take certain actions or to repair them. That's where the contingency timelines come in. So he will give them the home inspection report, and then the seller will then have an opportunity to say, okay, I can fix it, and maybe he'll say, no, its price is as is, and we've negotiated it down to that, and if you'd like to have it, you still can. The contract then gives the buyer the opportunity to say, okay, I'll take it, or it gives him the opportunity to walk away. So there's a lot of different elements here associated with the contract, and if you'd like to have some information on each one of those specific ones, I will go over that in detail with you. But as you can see, the sales contract is a lengthy document with a lot of different elements. If you have any questions, just give me a call and we can chat about it. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.